Is your Ninja Luxe Premier not grinding any beans? No grinding noise? Portafilter coming out empty? This issue usually comes down to the hopper gate, grind size settings, or clogs in the grinder path. Let's get your grinder working again, step by step. Step 1. Make sure the hopper gate is open. The gate at the bottom of the bean hopper controls whether beans drop into the grinder. If it's closed, nothing will feed through, and the machine won't grind. Step 2. Check the grind size dial. If the grind size selector is stuck between settings, it can prevent the grinder from activating. Turn the dial fully in either direction, then back to your preferred setting to re-engage it. Step 3. Try a single shot grind test. Set the machine to grind a single shot into an empty portafilter. If it still doesn't activate or sounds strained, move on to cleaning. Step 4. Clean out the grinder chute. Unplug the machine. Use the included cleaning brush or a vacuum attachment to remove any built-up grounds blocking the chute or burrs. Even light clogging can stop the motor from running. Step 5. Check for jammed beans. Remove the hopper and inspect the area around the burrs. Stuck beans can freeze the mechanism. Clear them gently with a dry cloth or your cleaning brush. Step 6. Still not working? If the grinder still won't activate after cleaning, it may be a motor or sensor issue. You'll find links to Ninja support and the official owner's guide in the video description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.